Welcome to Luxury Cars Drive, where we bring you the most elite and high-performance machines on the planet. Today, we step inside the 2025 BMW M4, a masterpiece of engineering and design that pushes luxury and performance to new heights. The new M4 is an absolute beast, packing a 3.0L twin-turbocharged inline-six that roars with up to 523 horsepower, launching from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.5 seconds. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system ensures razor-sharp handling, giving you the ultimate driving thrill on any road. Step inside, and you're greeted by a futuristic cockpit, full digital instrument cluster, massive curved infotainment screen with BM's iDrive 9, carbon fiber accents, and M Sport bucket seats wrapped in premium merino leather. Every detail screams luxury and precision. And let's talk about the tech. Adaptive LED laser headlights, a premium Bowers & Wilkins surround sound system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an advanced driving assistant package that makes every ride seamless and exhilarating. The exterior, absolutely stunning, with aggressive aerodynamic lines, a bold kidney grille, lightweight carbon fiber roof, and those signature M Performance quad exhausts that announce your arrival with authority. This is more than just a car, it's an experience, a statement, a lifestyle. The 2025 BMW M4 is built for those who demand the best in power, luxury, and technology. If you're obsessed with high-performance machines, hit like and subscribe to Luxury Cars Drive for more jaw-dropping automotive content. Let us know in the comments, would you take the M4 over its rivals? See you in the next video. The 2025 BMW M4 isn't just a car, it's a statement. Would you take this over its rivals? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insane luxury car content. See you in the next one.